Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I got a 2010 Honda Accord 2.4 engine. I'm gonna show you how to change the variable timing solenoid. All right, looking at the engine, it's gonna be on your passenger side. It's right down there. I don't know if you can see it. It's in a tight spot, but it's right down there where I'm pointing the pen at. I'm gonna take this off first, just to loosen this up. I got a 10 with a adjustable head here. And that shit is broke, and just do the rest with your hand. Alright, so the difference, and there's a screw at the top, but the difference is this right here. Like, this one is a little longer, pretty much. So you can feel this little length in between here and know that you're on the right screw. Alright, now this clip here, you wanna get this clip off here. So back here, you want to press like right back here, and then maybe grab a screwdriver and then something else and push here on this one. Like, I already pressed it first. Like, I went in there with my hand, and then pressed back there first, and I heard it click, and then I came with the screwdriver now and getting that off like that. Now I'm gonna turn the sensor a couple times with my hand, just to break it, just to break the the stuff off it, so it'll come out a little easier. It's real tight. Real tight in there. So now that I moved it around a little bit, I'm gonna just try to see if this works. Put a screwdriver in there, and there it goes. Just pry back and it come out like that. So this is pretty much the old one. Just reverse the process and put it back in. If you got anything out of that, like and subscribe.